Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can trade bitcoins using Payer. As you can see, I have some bitcoins and litecoins in my account. Now if you want to trade the bitcoins you have, then you have to go on the trade tab that is on the left side of the screen. The basic thing you should know is you should have the idea about the current price of the bitcoin. All the required prices are given above the graph. You can see that on the screen. Last price, minimum price and maximum price are already given on the screen. So if you move down, then you can see buy bitcoin and sell bitcoin button. After knowing the prices, you can have a good knowledge on what price you want to sell your bitcoin. So I'm going to show you by selling my bitcoins for $16,100 per BTC. It's up to you what price you put there. If you want your bitcoins to be sold out immediately, then you can go for little lower price than the current price so that it will be sold out immediately. But if you have time or you think price will go up or something like that, then you can put your own price in the sell button and you can leave it in the market. You can easily see your balance on the lower part of your screen. In the first place, you have to put the amount of the bitcoin you want to sell, and in the second place you can put your price per BTC, and in the third place you can see what amount you are going to get for the amount you are going to sell. So guys, after you press the sell button, you can just wait for someone to buy your bitcoin, and that is all. Now I'll show you by putting some litecoins in market. The process is same for all the coins. You just should have clear idea about what current price is so that you can sell your coins at the fair price. In the similar way, I am again trying to put some of my litecoins in the market. Just clearly fill the amount you want to sell and also at what price per LTC you would like to sell. You can easily see what price you will receive for that, and you can just press the sell button after filling everything properly. So guys, that's all, and it's super easy. As you can see that someone has already brought my bitcoin. In order to see that, you can just go on the trade tab and go on my history and see that my bitcoin is sold. Actually I changed the price as the current last price changed very quickly. And in case if you want to refund your money, then I just refunded my money for Litecoin. No any charges is taken for that, so you can do it at any time you like and change your price or whatever you like. So guys, I hope with the help of this video now you can easily convert your bitcoins into USD. And if you want some legit sites to earn bitcoins, then you may visit my other videos where I recommend you sites that pays you very well. And if you find this video helpful, then give it a thumbs up. And guys, thank you so much for watching.